Hello everybody. Today we want to open up the Joker Switch 8-piece ratcheting combination wrench set by Wera Tools. This set has a tremendous amount of features that dwarfs any standard combination wrench. Inside the box you have your pamphlets and the obligatory Velcro strip. The wrenches come with this very good looking case to keep them safe and organized. Let's go ahead and open it up. This case is built in a binder style, and you can take the middle flap on or off thanks to the Velcro attachment. This particular set comes with imperial sizes: 5/16, 3/8, 7/16, ½ inch, 9/16, 5/8, 11/16, and 3/4. With the Take It Easy tool finder feature, your tools are color coded and easy to determine what size they are at a glance. The ratchet portion features 80 teeth fine toothing for a 4.5 degree turning angle. The ratchet is also reversible by flipping the switch to the other side. The replaceable metal plate on the open head has many features, including anti-slip teeth to prevent your tool from slipping off of the nut or bolt you are working on. The double hex geometry on the other side allows for a lower turning angle of 30 degrees, which proves very beneficial when working in confined spaces. The ratchet end is angled 15 degrees to allow for comfort and high torque, as well as providing enough space for your hands. The metal plate also serves the dual purpose of a holding function, as you can see here. This function also serves as a limit stop to prevent the tool from slipping past the nut or bolt you are working on. Hope you guys enjoyed this in-depth look at this highly functional set. Thank you.